Today, we're taking a closer look at the Pentax K110d, an entry-level DSLR from Pentax that first hit the market in 2006. Build design: the body design is compact and fairly lightweight for a DSLR, weighing about 500 grams without a lens. It has a comfortable grip, simple control layout, and a sturdy build typical of Pentax cameras from that era. Sensor image quality: the K110d features a 6.1 megapixel APS-C CCD sensor. While 6 megapixels may sound low compared to today's standards, it still produces sharp, detailed images, especially at lower ISOs. Autofocus performance: the K110d uses an 11-point autofocus system, which was quite competitive for its time. Autofocus is decent for static subjects, but it struggles with fast-moving objects compared to modern cameras. Lens compatibility: one of the strongest points of the K110d is its Pentax KF lens mount, which is compatible with a huge range of Pentax K-mount lenses, including vintage manual lenses. Battery life: the camera runs on 4 AA batteries instead of a proprietary battery. While this can be convenient, battery life depends heavily on the type of batteries used. Overall, if you're looking for a cheap entry-level DSLR to practice photography, or if you want to experience the classic CCD color rendering, the K110d can be a fun choice. Thank you so much.